Orhan Awatramani alias Ori, who's a social media celebrity. He has arrived at the anti-narcotics cell office of Mumbai Police in Ghatkopar for questioning in the 252 crores drug haul case. This drug haul was busted by the Mumbai police, where a factory was busted, multiple arrests were made, people were extradited from Dubai, from UAE to India. Salim Dola, the drug lord who runs this drug syndicate, is still wanted. He is said to be in Turkey, and process for extraditing him to India is going on, while his son Tahir Dola, other associates Salim Sohail Sheikh, Mustafa Kubawala have been extradited. They are in custody of anti-narcotics cell. This drug haul case, while it was being investigated, Salim Sohail Sheikh, who was extradited from UAE in this case, revealed names of various celebrities, including names of Ori, Siddhant Kapoor, Shraddha Kapoor, Nora Fatehi, Zishan Siddiqui, who is an NCP leader, film directors Abbas Mustan, Daud Ibrahim's nephew, Alisha Parker, rapper Loka, and others. He claimed that these persons had attended drug parties in Mumbai and in Dubai. Also, some of them, it is suspected that some of them had also supplied drugs. Ori is under investigation for police wants to verify whether Ori was also part of the supply network. He is said to be close to Alisha Parker. He has been meeting Alisha Parker in Dubai, in Mumbai, and various other places. He has been to their parties, and it is suspected, again I underline that, it is suspected that Ori could also be part of the drug supply chain. But that is being investigated. He is being questioned right now at the anti-narcotics cell. Once the questioning is over, we will come to know what the anti-narcotics cell has found out, what Ori has revealed. With camera person Nitin Varne, this is Divyesh Singh in Mumbai for India Today.